Hi guys, welcome back with me again, and I'm gonna show you how you can create auto captions by using the CapCut PC. So first, just import your video to CapCut PC. I've already imported mine.
Now here's how it works. I'm going to ask you a
Conversation
question.
on it
You can
to make it easier for CapCut to detect its caption. So after that, you can just go to tags at the top, and in here you'll find auto caption. So just click on that option, and here just select the language of captions that consists of on the video, and after that you can just click on create and wait for CapCut to generate the subtitles or the captions. Okay, so now the speech is recognized and the captions will be created like this. So when you play the video
Now here's
now,
how it works. I'm going to ask you a question. You can either choose to answer that question
it
or
will have
sample one
these
of these treats.
captions
So we
at
all
the
might
bottom
have
that
like
you can
Irish
always just
tea, which is cabbage or flavour.
as you like. So if you want to change the style, for example, you can just click on one of the captions, and in here you can change the font. You can also change the font size, or you can change the color like this. But please make sure that you click on this apply to all options so that your changes, the changes will be applied to all of the clips. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember